Hi, this is Mike Love here at MarineMax in Summers Point. Today we're going to be walking through my all-new brokerage listing, a 2008 Sea Ray 240 Sundeck. Starting in the back, you'll notice there's an expansive swim platform with a boarding ladder off the back. You have your bimini hanging here in the back here, and it's boot right now, but that can be put up to provide shade for everybody on board. Into the cockpit, you'll notice there's large wraparound L-shaped seating, as well as two captain seats, port and starboard for the captain and an additional passenger. On the starboard side here, we do have a wet bar, storage underneath for entertaining, rinsing off, and maybe preparing bait if you're doing a little bit of fishing. Flip up and down bolsters, find the position that's most comfortable for you underway. You'll notice on the dash, all of these gauges are in excellent condition. No moisture in any of these gauges. 5-inch Garmin was installed by the owner, as well as a VHF radio. Large storage compartment under our feet. Very clean head compartment. Moving to the bow of the boat, you have a wind dam over here on the right that also gives access to another large storage compartment. Moving to the front of the boat, you get two large lounger seats with storage under each, as well as storage in the floor. Moving to the front of the boat here, we have an additional boarding ladder off the front, as well as an anchor locker and a freshwater washdown to rinse off coming in from the water, get that salt off before getting on board. So again, it's Mike Love here at MarineMax Summers Point. It's our brand new 2008 Sea Ray 240 Sundeck brokerage listing. If you'd like to see this boat or any of our other available inventory, you can give me a call on my cell at 610-585-5946. Thanks, and see you out on the water.